In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code for Next.js. This guide will walk you through the steps to set up a new Next.js application using PowerShell on your computer. Begin by opening PowerShell, press the Windows key and the S key simultaneously to open the search feature. In the search bar that appears, type PowerShell and then hit the Enter key. This action will launch the PowerShell application where you will execute the necessary commands. Next, navigate to the folder where you want to create your Next.js project. For instance, if you wish to use your desktop, type secondary desk PowerShell window and press Enter. This command changes the directory to your desktop, allowing you to create your project in that location. Now, it is time to create a new Next.js application. Type npx create next app at latest my app into PowerShell and press Enter. This command will initiate the creation of a new Next.js app named my app. During this process, you may see prompts asking questions about your project setup. Simply press Enter to accept the default options for each question that appears. Once the application is created, you need to navigate into your project folder. Type cd my app in the PowerShell window and press Enter. After executing this command, you will be inside the my app directory where all the project files are located. The next step is to start the development server. Enter npm run dev in the PowerShell window and hit Enter. This command will launch the development server, and you should see a message displaying a link similar to http://localhost 3000. This link indicates that your Next.js application is now running locally. To view your newly created Next.js app, open your preferred web browser and type the link http://localhost 3000 into the address bar, press Enter, and you will see your running Next.js application displayed in the browser. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.